Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the series of videos in which we are presenting you a solution for bank statement conversion, which normally it is downloaded from your account in the form of PDF, and then converting that PDF into the Excel analytical report, right? So it's a system rather. You can have the ledger-wise views, and there are plenty of things you can do once the PDF is converted into the Excel system. And we are starting with the bank, which bank to take. Let's take the example of Meezan Bank. Uh, its application is frequently used, and it's a popular bank here in Pakistan, and it has introduced Islamic banking, and it is a premier, it is a leader, market leader in the field of Islamic banking. So the PDF is a normal issue when you talk about the bank statements. They are downloaded in the form of PDF like this, right? As you can see in here, and this is the application actually, the mobile application in which you view the statement, and then you can enter your dates from and date to. It will list down all the transactions, incoming or outgoing, and then you can download the statement. Once it is downloaded, you can save it. You can go to the file send option, and you can send it to your Google Drive, or we have sent it to our Google Drive, and we have. So I have made. I have downloaded it into the download folder, and if I can see you, yeah, this is the download folder. So this is the statement which is mm, downloaded just now from the Meezan Bank application, and it is ranging for the period from 1st of July 2022 until 26th of January 2025. Quite a lengthy statement. So, how to convert it and bring it into your Excel? We have made your life very simple. All you need to do is click inside the system, inside anywhere in this, and press Control A, right? Control A will select everything in the and then you in this file, and then you can press Control C, right? So you have copied it, right? Now you are going to paste it well into our system, in which is an Excel file, and we will show you that Excel file in a minute. Yeah, this is our Excel file, and in here we have these three steps sheet. There is sheet one, in which step one is step two, step three, right? So what we are going to do is we have to open or unhide the column C. Sorry. So let's go to column C. Yeah, this is the column C where we just paste. We paste right below this yellow mark, and we paste our we put a yes, Control V for pasting. Undo, right? So we have to paste it with the paste special, not with the Control V. Paste special and take it to the text only. Okay, unformatted text. So this will save everything into the Excel file, right? So apparently it is a jumbled and understandable and lacking in readability, etc., etc. Whatever you can name, you can say. But you see, step one will do everything for you, right? Step one, then step two, and then step three. All you have to do is paste it and start doing the steps. The first step is step one. So step one, it it takes all the information into the one line of fashion, right? So it is so putting the date in the date column, description in the description column, amount and balances in their respective position. Okay. And step two will be further enhancement of it. So these are very huge statements. So it will finish very soon. That means it will complete. Yeah, the process is complete. And this is what my balance is. At the moment, I'm a poor man, 1205 rupees left in the bank. And this tallies with my report, my record. Okay. So this has what it has done. Step one has done these three things. Yeah. Well, these two things, that it has converted all the information into the one liner manner. Okay. So now these amounts will go into the respective with the step two, right? Let's click step two. It will start from this will be quite quick, and it will convert. You will see the amount and the balances will come here, and the balance is 1205. That's right. This is the last transaction, and the balance agrees with what is reported in the statement, right? That's fine. Okay. And the last step is a wonderful step that what it is going to do, it is going to prepare for you a ledger system, and it will apply the account logic. Initially, you will not have any much basic account logic. You just use the same which is at the moment available, but with all subsequent reports, statements, it will be easy for you to. The system will automatically determine that which account to post this amount in, so that you have a ledger, right? Okay, so let's go to do the step three. The step three is ready. Now it is applying the account logic and preparing for you a ledger statement, ledger system rather. You will be presented with a statement, a list of ledgers, the accounts, a chart of account, you can say, and with all the ins and outs figures, the total in and total out, total inflow, total outflow will be written in front of it. And then you can double click on any description. It will take you to the ledger of the selected account. So this is a wonderful piece of work which is done for you. I hope the Excel lovers will love to see this and will appreciate it. And if you need any help in it, I'm available. I can use other banks as well if you want it to apply in your own personal bank. No matter which bank it is, of course, that bank has the facility to generate for you the bank statement in PDF, right? Okay, so all you need to do is copy the PDF and bring this information into the Excel, and do the step one, step two, step three. It will not be so straightforward, but for Meezan Bank, it will be straightforward for you, right? Now to apply this concept on other banks, we you may need my assistance, so I'm here there. Okay, so the GL account master list is ready with all the balances. These are the same. Now, if you want to see that uh, what is this jazz balance? Yeah, how was it 81,000? Right. You can just double click on Jazz Mobile. So it is going to take you to the ledger, and it will tell you how these 81,000 81,000 the breakup of 81,000 is this. And there is a one account of 500 as well, right? Okay. So these are all the 81,000 total. You see, 81,000. And you can see that, yeah, you can total it. You can see the total matches, agrees with the 81,000. So they were paid to the Jazz Bank with what transaction record, everything, and which date, what was the description, and so on. So all coming from the bank statement, right? So with the click of button, actually, you have converted it into a full-fledged analytical tool for your bank statements. Okay. So thank you very much for watching.